To DJ's Prestige Sports, we've just got this absolutely stunning Mercedes E-Class Coupe AMG Sport with the all-important tilt side panoramic roof, 66 reg, front and rear park distance control, upgraded alloy wheels, rear park distance control, AMG full body styling kit with rear diffuse and twin exhausts, rear spoiler, don't usually come with those. A lot of extras on the car, but as you can see it's in absolutely stunning condition all round. Boot area is lovely. It's got the rear folding seats, by the way, electric windows and mirrors, full leather interior, perforated with the white and blue stitch piping, auto headlights, starts absolutely lovely. It's done 89,335 miles. So we've got paddle shift on the gearbox, cruise control, multifunction steering wheel, auto headlights, nice little storage area here, satellite navigation, all important as well, 3-stage heated seats, climate controls, lovely and cold that is, that's beautiful. Could just sit in this car all day and the whole day like today. Got Bluetooth, that's for phone and media. That screen might be flashing, it's not flashing, it's the camera shutter speed. What else do we have? A DAB radio. Well, all this is beautiful. The track's lovely. It's just in lovely condition. Got a USB there as well. Tilt size panoramic roof. Really lovely to drive, these are. At DJH, we're full dealer facilities, including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07503 751 005. Thank you.